Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you'll learn natural English conversations that people use after a long day of sightseeing while traveling. Join Alex and Jane as they return to their hotel after spending an exciting day exploring New York City. You'll learn useful English expressions for talking about your day, discussing travel experiences, speaking with a hotel concierge, ordering dinner, planning the next day, and getting ready for bed. These everyday conversations will help you improve your English listening and vocabulary in real-life travel situations. Listen carefully to the speakers and repeat the sentences after them to practice your pronunciation and speaking skills. And if you have an idea for a future English conversation video, let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and create lessons that help you learn the English you need most. Now, are you ready to continue the adventure with Alex and Jane in New York? Let's get started.
Wow, what a day. I can't believe how many places we visited today. My feet are completely exhausted.
I know exactly how you feel. We walked for hours, but honestly, it was worth every step.
You're right. New York is even more exciting than I imagined. Everywhere we went felt special.
I agree. Every neighborhood had its own unique atmosphere. There was always something interesting to see.
I think Times Square was my favorite place today. The lights, the giant screens, and all the people made it feel so alive.
It was impressive. But I think the Statue of Liberty was my favorite. Seeing it in person was something I'll never forget.
The ferry ride was great too. We got some amazing views of the skyline.
Yes, and the weather was perfect. For sightseeing, we were really lucky.
I'm glad we took so many photos. They'll help us remember this trip for years.
Definitely. Let's head up to our room and relax for a while before dinner.
Good evening. Welcome back. Did you enjoy your day exploring the city?
Good evening. Yes, we had a wonderful day. We visited Times Square, Central Park, and the Statue of Liberty.
That's a great list of attractions for one day. It sounds like you made the most of your time.
We certainly tried. We're tired, but we had a lot of fun. Tomorrow is our last full day in New York. Do you have any recommendations for places we shouldn't miss?
If you're looking for something different, I recommend visiting a few local neighborhoods and some souvenir shops around Midtown.
That sounds interesting. We're also looking for a nice place to have breakfast tomorrow morning.
There's a popular breakfast restaurant just a few blocks from the hotel. They serve excellent pancakes, eggs, and coffee.
That sounds perfect. We might try it tomorrow. Thank you for the recommendation.
You're very welcome.
Thank you. Have a nice evening.
It feels so nice to finally sit down after walking all day.
I think we walked more than 10 miles today.
Probably. My legs definitely feel like it.
Let me charge my phone before I forget. I took so many pictures today that the battery is almost dead.
I'll unpack a few things and put away these souvenirs.
Looking around this room now feels much more comfortable than when we first arrived.
It really does. It almost feels like a second home after a few days.
Should we look through today's photos?
Absolutely. I can't wait to see how they turned out.
Look at this picture we took in Times Square. The lights look amazing.
That's one of my favorites. And this one from the ferry is beautiful too.
The skyline looks incredible in that photo.
We should send some of these pictures to our families later tonight.
They'll love seeing what we've been doing.
Are you feeling hungry?
Yes, now that we're resting, I'm realizing how hungry I am.
We had a big lunch, but that was several hours ago.
What would you like for dinner?
I'm not in the mood to go out again. We've already spent the whole day walking around.
I feel the same way. Maybe we should order food to the hotel.
That's a great idea. How about pizza?
Pizza sounds perfect. After a long day of sightseeing.
I'll place the order right now.
Thanks. I'll look at tomorrow's schedule while we wait.
The pizza is here.
Perfect timing! I'm starving.
It smells delicious.
Let's eat before it gets cold.
Good idea.
This is exactly what I needed after such a busy day.
Same here. Sometimes simple food tastes the best.
Especially after walking around a city all day.
Looking back, what was your favorite moment today?
Probably standing in Times Square at night and seeing all those bright lights.
My favorite was seeing the Statue of Liberty up close.
Both were unforgettable experiences.
We made some wonderful memories today. I can't believe tomorrow is our last day in New York.
Time really flies when you're having fun.
It feels like we just arrived yesterday.
Is there anything specific you'd like to do tomorrow?
I'd like to buy some souvenirs for my family and maybe spend some time exploring a few streets we haven't seen yet.
That sounds good. I still need gifts for my parents and friends. Since we're relaxing now, maybe we should start packing a few things.
That's a smart idea. Then we won't have to rush tomorrow night.
I'll organize my souvenirs first.
And I'll fold my clothes and pack the things I won't need tomorrow.
Don't let me forget my charger and camera.
I'll remind you. You always worry about forgetting something.
That's because I usually do.
Well, that's why we're a good travel team.
You're right about that.
I'm getting really sleepy now.
Me too. I think all the walking finally caught up with me.
What time should we wake up tomorrow?
How about 7 o'clock? That will give us enough time for breakfast before we start exploring again.
Sounds perfect. I'll set an alarm on my phone.
I'll set one too, just to be safe.
Okay. Good night, Alex.
Good night, Jane. Sleep well. Thanks for spending the day with us. on another English learning adventure.
Today, we explored New York City, visited famous places, and learned useful English for travel and hotel situations.
In our next video,
We'll continue our New York adventure with more real-life English practice.
we'll enjoy breakfast, explore more of the city, and learn new English phrases along the way. If you have ideas for future lessons, let us know in the comments below.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.
Thanks for watching.
See you in the next video. Bye, everyone.